Two Sparrows and a Hurricane by Tanya Tucker. She's 15 and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring and he's got the key to her heart. And it's just a matter of time. They'll spread their wings and fly like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way. With a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, but love says it will. There's a baby crying and one more on the way. There's a wolf at the door with a big stack of bills they can't pay. The clouds are dark and the wind is high, but they can see the other side. Like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way. With a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, oh, but love says it will. She's 83 and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring and he's got the key to her heart. And it's just a matter of time. They'll spread their wings and fly like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way. With a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, but love says it will. The world says they'll never make it, but love says it will. Love conquers all, you guys.